In today's video, we'll show you how to optimize your maintenance management using our CMMS Excel template. Whether you're a maintenance manager or maintenance technician leader, this tool will help you plan and track interventions with ease and efficiency. Let's begin by entering the maintenance basic project information. Start by adding the project start date, then list your team members, define their roles, and input their hourly rates. Next, register your machines, choose your billing currency, and set up the work packages along with their frequencies. Once your project details are set, it's time to move on to task planning using the built-in Gantt chart. Here, you'll list every necessary intervention. Specify the work order, the type of intervention, whether preventive or corrective, the relevant trades, the machines involved, and the technician assigned. Organize all these tasks in the Gantt chart to ensure everything is scheduled and tracked efficiently. After planning, you can easily monitor task progress. As each intervention is completed, update the task's progress and log the actual hours worked. Adjust the billing status based on the percentage of work completed and track intervention costs in real time. Now, let's take a look at the reports section for a comprehensive view of the project. You can see which tasks have been completed, track the project's overall progress, and forecast resource usage. The report also highlights critical tasks by station or work package and gives you a clear comparison between planned and actual hours for each team member. Finally, manage your financial tracking and invoicing. The financial summary gives you a complete breakdown of costs, projected expenses for upcoming interventions, and costs per resource or technician. If you're a contractor, the template allows you to instantly generate invoices. Simply update the data, and the template will automatically create and prepare invoices for quick delivery to your clients. With this CMMS Excel template, you'll manage your maintenance projects more effectively, save time, and improve communication within your team. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tools and tips on project management and productivity.